Hello friends, there's a country where you work less and earn more. It's called Luxembourg. So why not fasten your seatbelt as I take you on a wonderful journey. First of all, in case you don't know, Luxembourg is the richest country in the world, followed by Ireland. And the original name of Luxembourg is Grand D of Luxembourg. And if you are wondering where Luxembourg is located, Luxembourg is actually located in Europe, and she's also a member of the Schengen state, which means you can travel all the rest 28 countries that make up the Schengen region, such as Italy, Netherlands, Poland, Finland, and the rest visa-free. Friends, Luxembourg is surrounded by Belgium, France, and Germany. The language spoken here is French, English language, and German, and some other minor languages. So friends, once you arrive in Luxembourg, the first thing you need to do is to register with the local authority for your resident card. This card will enable you to do other things such as searching for job, renting an apartment or accommodation, and getting access to free aid and education. And if you arrive with your family, your kids will attend free education and health service, and your wife will be given an open work permit to work in any place of their choice. And let me not forget to tell you that transportation in Luxembourg is absolutely free, as the government has made this possible. Even though Luxembourg has a high standard of living, that doesn't mean that you're going to spend all your money on expenses. The minimum wage in Luxembourg is between 3,000 to 4,000 euro per month, and there's no age limit or restriction for your work visa. And you don't even need English language proficiency test. And in addition, you can get your visa within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your country at the time of applying for your visa. What makes Luxembourg very special is that the population is low and it's not up to 700,000 inhabitants, and most countries have their banks in Luxembourg. This makes this country a foreign destination. Take note guys, the best time to apply for jobs generally is usually towards the beginning and the ending of each year, as many people want to change their job or location. So if you are watching this video, what are you waiting for? You have to apply ASAP immediately after you watch this video. Who knows, you might be lucky to find a job. But let me stress that you must always read the job description and also tailor your CV to suit each job role. So guys, some of the benefits you may receive is visa sponsorship, and if you are lucky, your employer might provide you with benefits like free accommodation and travel allowances. So always check with your employer. Please my friends, before I continue, please give this video a like, and if you are watching this video late, it is because probably your notification bell is turned off. So I would suggest you switch on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop a video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And for my returning subscribers, you are the best. Thanks so much for being here. So my friends, the in-demand jobs in Luxembourg are in various sectors such as sales, hospitality, construction, factory, warehouse work, agricultural jobs, domestic assistance jobs, delivery jobs, and others. Once you are able to get a job, you do not need a large proof of funds to apply for your visa. Most times, documents you will need include valid passport, health insurance, work contract or employment letter, trade certificate, proof of your previous work, accommodation, and flight ticket. Sometimes your employer will provide you with temporary accommodation upon arrival. I know you'll be itching right now to know how to apply, but before we dive into that, if you have watched this video to this very point and you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, please do so now, and also turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss out of any of our videos. And let me also suggest that you do not skip any part of this video, else you are going to struggle when you try to apply on your own, because I will definitely know from the type of questions you'll be dropping in the comment sections, and from there I'll be able to tell if you watch this video to the very end. To apply for jobs, we have jobs in various fields. For drivers, taxi driver responsibilities include this: 10 delivery apps in Luxembourg. You can use this app. Delivery driver responsibilities, HGV driver's responsibility. These are the responsibility. For warehouse job, we have top 10 warehouse companies. For IT jobs, we have top 10 IT companies. For hospital jobs, here are 10 hospital companies. For hospitality, these are the top 10 companies. For construction jobs, we have these companies. Supermarket jobs, we have these companies. you can check them out and see which one you can apply for. Here are companies hiring for security jobs. Here are 10 security companies for you to try. Here are top 10 posting sites in Luxembourg that you can easily use to apply for job. We have Jobs.lu, moviejob.com, jobfinder.lu, Jobs in Luxembourg, ictjob.lu, Indeed.lu, Google for Jobs, LinkedIn Jobs, econjobs.com, Stepstone. Also are the 10 companies that will recruit you from overseas. We have the following. So guys, for the Luxembourg jobs, the first company we're going to look at is AxiaGroupe.com. As you can see, this is a beautiful site. So what you can do, you can read about the company, you can submit an application here. For candidates, you click here for you to know what you will benefit. It says discover our job offers, submit your application. So these are the two links we are going to explore. But before then, let's look at what the candidate gained to achieve. So it says, what contract for you? So now, whatever your profile or level of qualification, the mission contract is aimed at those who wish to carry out one-off or temporary missions. The Axia Group supports you by setting up temporary health insurance, death and disability insurance, access to the many fast aids like housing, childcare, driver license assistance, shorty grantor, etc. If you read carefully, it says our recruiters can help assess a fixed-term contract or permanent contract. So you can get a permanent job from this website. Let's read on. It says, stand out from the crowd and develop new skills. As you can see, it says training, qualification, improving the quality of your CV. Axia helps you to enhance your skills and simplifies your administrative procedure with the aim of differentiating you from the other profiles. These are some of the benefits that this company will help you to do. Like I said, if you want to apply for this job, what you can do is to check for jobs from here, or you can submit your application by clicking on this blue link. So let's check the job offers that are available. Now, when you come to this site, as you can see, it's a beautiful site. So what you can do for you to get specific, if you have any specific job you're looking for, you can type it here, like painter, accountant, sectors of the economy you want to apply. We have agro-food, automobile, bank insurance, building, wood paper, trade, multimedia, education training, electronics, environment, studies and advice, industry, IT, telecommunications, production. So now what you need to do, guys, if you don't want to go through that site, you can just click on this link to search or to research. So click on it. It will give you all the list of jobs available. If it's not in English, you right click and translate to English. So now we have list of offers. We have 670 jobs that are available for you, like landscape carpenter, numerical control, traditional fireman, telescopic driver. We have scaffold, facade painter, traditional mason, wood painter, carpenter. You can see the pages we have to the end. So if you want to go to page 10, you can click on page 10. So you just continue to search. The list is endless. You see, the list is endless. So once you check and you've seen the one that you like, you can click on anyone and apply. Let's assume you want to apply for electrician. You click on this is second work. As you can see, this is logistic, transport, if you're a driver, industrial handler. So anyone you want, you can click on it and apply. So let's assume you want to do this pipe layer, the first one. You click on it and it will take you to the page. You read about the job. It says candidate profile. This is what they want you to have. The ID profile, you are a methodical, careful and punctual. You have team spirit, driving license, B is appreciated. All profiles, even beginners, are accepted and studied. So these are the things you will need To have your experience, you must ensure that it says positions to be filled quickly, driver license, which is already mentioned, daytime position, salary is according to the profile. So guys, when you read all these things, you just click and apply. This is the apply button, you apply. Don't forget, this is the location, this is the reference number, this is the contract interim. So I will advise you look for contract jobs, and this is the job posting date. So when you are looking for job, always aim for contract, the one that is permanent jobs. They are the ones that will give you visa sponsorship. So guys, the next site is Wagner Building Systems. So when you come to this site, you just have to ensure you translate it to English. If you don't know how to translate, right click and click on translate to English. So product service, these are the services they offer: heating, sanitary, ventilation, air conditioning, electricity, technical, building management, regulation, and automation. So these are the job offers. As you can see, as part of our business development, we are looking for immediate entry in Luxembourg City. This is what they are looking at: AVAX, electrician. And in the north, they are looking for experienced team leader for private AVAX, heating engineer, electrician, customer service manager. So if you're interested in any of these jobs, guys, you just come here. You see the contact info. So you can use this to contact them via email and submit your application. So guys, there's another site which is Soclair. Soclair is one site that you will need to know. If you come to this site, you will see at the right hand side, you have welcome business activities, job offers. Anytime you visit any site, guys, always look for the career section or the job offer section. Sometimes they might even make it more clear by saying recruitment. So any of those ones that you see, that's what you'll be searching for whenever you are looking for any job. So you click on job offers and it will take you to this page. So these are the job offers, but before then, these are the job offers. As you can see, after sales service repairer, you click on this, you will see their mission, your profile, we offer. So now if you read carefully, it says an indefinite term employment contract, attractive remuneration, continuing education tailored to your needs, work in dynamic motivated team, good working atmosphere. So guys, if you are interested in this, you copy this and send them a mail. It says we look forward to your application and guarantee confidential treatment for your request. It says please send your complete application to, or you do it by mail. So you send them a mail, attach your CV, and that is all, guys. Remember to always read these things. It will guide you on what they need. So it says your profile, you must hold a DAB, CAP, or BEP heating installer. This is for heating. Those people that are working as heating engineers, you need this certification. It says several years of professional experience as a repairer of gas and oil heating installation, class B driving license, autonomy and rigor. You demonstrate team spirit. So these are the things they need. All right, guys, let's look at this site. This site is Jobs.lu. As you can see from this page, you will see we have categories: accounting, finance, analysis, architecture, aviation, banking, call center, construction, trades, education, environment, finance, service, freelance, graduate, healthcare, childcare, nursing. So whichever area you want, you can chip it in. Then you can search by location. If it's abroad, if you're in Luxembourg and you're looking for abroad, you apply for jobs abroad. Then this is chef. Let's assume you are looking for chef. You can type it. If you are looking anything you are looking for, so this is where you put the keyword. If it's a driver, you put it there. So let's assume you are looking for healthcare. So as you can see, it says healthcare, childcare. Okay, this is because there's a driver there. So we are looking for healthcare. So you click on healthcare, and as you can see, these are the things that has to do with healthcare. So if you feel you are qualified care assistant, you see, so anyone you are interested in, the list is endless. You apply for the one you are interested in. So we have nurses, DM, doctor, infectious disease control doctor, dental assistant for chair assistant. We have WH manager, medical secretary, psychologist, pulmonologist. So just read it and apply for the one. Let's assume you are interested in this. Let's look for something you're familiar with. In no specific order, let's look at qualified care assistant. So this is the job. It's a permanent job and it's a full-time job as well. Payment not communicated, so you must check it. This is the last time they updated it, so this job has been here for so long, so you need to apply for this job. It says you can translate this page if you cannot read what they are saying. Job description, this is what they want from you, so make sure you read it. It says a strong motivation to support people with disabilities, a commitment to asserting the rights of these people, flexibility in working hours, an ability to work in a team, a good command of 3 national language, Luxembourgish, French, German. So this language is a barrier for those of you who want to apply. Category B, license and car available. Application whose profile does not match this criteria cannot be processed. So that's why I said you must read the job description. If not, if you apply for this kind of a job, you will never get the job because you didn't meet the criteria. So always check the job description and tailor your CV towards that job. Now guys, so for you who does not meet this qualification, there's no way you can click on this apply button. So you look for the one that you are qualified for. If for instance you don't want to go through any of these categories, you don't want to search by categories, you can just come and click search. If you click search, it will bring out all the jobs that are available. What to do is to keep searching, check each of them. This is IT infrastructure engineer. It says last updated 1st of November 2024, and looking for more than a job, join us. So these are the about us, about the job. You read it so that you can tailor your CV. About you, your background, these are the things they need you to know. Bachelor's degree in information technology, strong experience in managing a following system. So you read everything. I'm looking for the English text. You see this one, it says fluent in English Simon. So you pass. You can see there's an English job. So what you need to do is to always check the job description before you apply. Are you getting it? To apply, you put your email, let's say teachclockwise@gmail.com. Then you click next. Are you getting it? Next, you put your name, Harrison, and Omoradian. Please just ensure you do it properly. Then attach your CV. You search for CV, attach it. You browse your device. Then you put your cover note. If no, you put no. Then you send application. It's as simple as that. So for those of you who have watched this to the very end, the 2 things you need to do is, one, you must ensure that you have your CV that is tailored to suit that job that you're looking for. Then the second thing is that you must get the following checklist before you apply. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.